Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Dana Lynette and I'm so glad you're here. This video is an update on the synthetic curly Microloc extensions that I installed DIY at the very end of spring break. So that would have been around March 12th, 13th, maybe 14th. And today is April 13th. So it's been about a month. You'll remember if you saw the video where I installed these and kind of talked about the extensions. My intention this time was to do 100% human hair. I had got my hands on some human hair wavy extensions that were really beautiful, but they were like a 12-inch, I think. And by the time I cut it off the weft and removed all those little extra hairs, the short hairs, that didn't work out. It was just too short. So I had to go with the synthetic hair that I had. But I'm here to tell you today, as you can see, taking this braid out. I have washed this hair several times. I have recurled the front, but not the back. This hair has been a champ. It is surprisingly manageable considering that it's cheap synthetic hair. I can get my fingers through it for the most part. I mean, I'll get a few catches here and there, but it looks really good. Probably the only con I can think of is how shiny this hair is in comparison to my locks. But I was watching somebody's video the other day where she was installing human hair extensions on her locks, and I noticed that there was a very similar difference in sheen. Like her locks were as sheeny as locks get, but then the human hair extensions, had the sort of luster that naturally curly hair, that's like a type 3A, maybe 3B would have, once you put in some products to curl it. And so there was a difference even with the human hair. So I figured this was a really good deal for my money. Look at that. It's manageable. Like, this hair has surprised me. But what I'm saying is, I would have taken this hair out by now, but I couldn't be bothered. I've been off work sick for a few days, throat been hurting, all that. And so the best I could do is wash my hair and braid it. And I'm telling you, like, it's nice. So this install was definitely worth the time. I really need to take it down, but to be honest, I think I'll wear it for another week. Possibly two, but not more than that. If and when I decide to do curly extensions on the end of my Microlocs, I'll do it with just regular braiding hair and then curl the braiding hair. And I think that'll really be pretty fly. So this has been a good hair choice. I've had a lot of fun with it. Yeah. So if you try it, let me know. Thanks for watching.